Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 2 polynomial for class 9. From class 7th you all are knowing about algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions may be of different kinds like x plus 1 upon x, y plus 3 y square plus 3y, or under root z plus 5, or any other kind. So these are few examples of algebraic expressions, but under the topic polynomial we will study a special kind of algebraic expressions. What are these special kind of algebraic expressions? X square plus 3x plus 5, or 5y square plus 2, or 5y ax plus b, or it is etc. What is the difference between these two type of expressions? This you can observe it easily, that as here you can look that 1 upon x is given, under root z is given. These you can express in this manner also. 1 upon x you can write with the help of the laws of exponent, and this under root z, this you can write z to the power 1 upon 2. These exponents never be used in special kind of algebraic expressions which are known as polynomials. Remember it, the powers of any variable never be in negative sign or never be as a fraction. Here you can observe that all the exponents of variables are always positive and in whole numbers. In these special kind of algebraic expressions, means in these polynomials, these are known as terms of the polynomial. These are given in addition or in subtraction. These are known as terms of that polynomial, and the numbers which are given in multiplication or in division, these are known as coefficients of the polynomial, of the term. Coefficients of the term. Remember it. This is known as term, and each term is having separate coefficient. The number or the non-variable which are given either in multiplication or in division, these are known as coefficients of the polynomial. The next thing which is especially I would like to tell you, that if 5, 7, 2, these numbers, especially these negative numbers also, these are also a special kind of polynomials. These are known as zero polynomials. What these are known as? Zero polynomials. where positive, negative numbers are given only. These are known as zero polynomials. Now I would like to tell you about different names of the polynomials. A polynomial which is having only one term, is known as monomial. Understood? Where only one term is given, such kind of polynomial is known as monomials. Here you can write type of polynomial. Second is, a polynomial is having two terms. If a polynomial is having two terms, suppose this is x square plus 5x, then it is known as binomial. What it is known as? Binomial. And polynomial which is having three terms, suppose it is given here x plus 5, then such kind of polynomial is known as trinomial. So these are the three different kind of polynomials on the basis of its terms. Now I would like to tell you the kind of polynomial on the basis of the powers, maximum powers of the variables. This power of the polynomial is always known as the degree of the polynomial. Now I would like to tell you about the degree of the polynomial. So students, degree of the polynomial is the maximum power of a polynomial. Suppose this is given x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 7. So here you can observe that x are having different powers in this polynomial and the maximum power is 3. So this 3 is called the degree of the polynomial. Here you will write degree of polynomial is 3. Now on the basis of the degree, the polynomials can be categorized as polynomial of degree 1, polynomial of degree 2, polynomial of degree 3. Polynomial of degree 1, just like as this 3x is given. So this is called linear polynomial. Okay. So second category is of this x square plus 5x. This is known as quadratic polynomial. The second one is known as quadratic polynomial, and the third, where the degree of the polynomial is given 3, that is known as cubic polynomial. So there are three categories on the basis of the degree of the polynomial. Number one is linear polynomial, second is quadratic polynomial, and third is cubic polynomial. Thank you, students.